the splendor of heaven, knowing his destiny was the lonely hill of Golgotha, there to lay down his life for me. And if that isn't love, then the ocean is dry. There's no stars in the sky, and the little sparrows can fly. And if that isn't love, then heaven's a me. There's no feeling like this. If that isn't love, it's got to be love. Even in death, he remembered the thief hanging by his side. Then he spoke of love and compassion, and he took him to paradise. And if that isn't love, then heaven's a me. There's no feeling like this. If that isn't love, if that isn't love, then the ocean is dry. There's no stars in the sky, and the little sparrows can fly. And if that isn't love, then heaven's a me. There's no feeling like this. If that isn't love, there's no feeling like this. If that isn't love, it's got to be love. There's no feeling like this. if that isn't love. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me, but once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. And we've been dead 10,000 years, bright shining as the sun. Days to sing God's praise, and when we first begun, too many angels soft and snares, right have already gone. This grace has lost, we saved the sound, and when we heard before, amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me, but once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Was blind, but now I see. Was blind, but now I see. Is your burden heavy as you bear it all alone? Does the road you travel harbor dangers yet unknown? Are you're growing weary with the struggle of it all, Jesus will help you. Just what the name you call. He's always there, hearing every prayer, faithful and true. Walking by outside, in His love we hide, all the day through. When you get discouraged, just remember what to do. Reach out to Jesus, He's reaching out to you. Is the life you're living filled with sorrow and despair? Does the future push you with its worry and its care? Are you tired and friendless? Have you almost lost your way? Jesus will help you. Just come to Him today. He's always there, hearing every prayer, faithful and true. Walking by outside, in His love we hide, all the day through. When you get discouraged, just remember what to do. Reach out to Jesus. Reach out to Jesus. Come on and reach out to Jesus. He's reaching